Welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today, in honor of St. Patrick's Day, I am going to teach you how to draw a four-leaf clover character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials and we'll get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our four-leaf clover character. Now, drawing a four-leaf clover, there's a pretty neat trick. It's basically like you're drawing a heart. So we're going to start with one and two sides of our first heart here. And we're going to make three others that match it, and that will create the outline of our clover shape. Two. Three. And four. Now the face of our four-leaf clover is going to go in this space right here in the center. So we want to do two eyes, one, and two. I want to put two little eyebrows on here above the eyeballs, right here. And we'll add a little smile. And we'll add the stem next, which is going to come right here in between the bottom two hearts. And we'll add a parallel line, so that means a line that follows the exact same shape that's the same width away from the first line. And we'll connect those two here. Now, just to add a little pizzazz to this character, we're going to add a couple of action lines. This will make it look like our four-leaf clover is celebrating the holiday by moving around a little bit. All right, so there's the outline of our character. So now what we want to do is we want to color it. So go ahead and grab some colored pencils, markers, crayons, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. There we have our shamrock character, little four-leaf clover. The last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Fantastic job today, illustrators! I hope that you all enjoyed drawing your four-leaf clover characters, and I also hope that you have a very happy St. Patrick's Day. I'll see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!